welcome back to another video. I'm doing the intro for this one next day after we went out from Leaders. The plan was to hit the Vernons, drop some jigs, and yeah, try and score some pelagics, try and get a bit of revenge from last time I was out there. But yeah, it didn't really go down too well. At about probably 20 past 3 in the morning of the trip we'd planned, myself and Cody, was a earthquake, and yeah, about 600 k's offshore I think it was, in Indonesia. So it was a 7.6 magnitude earthquake, so it was pretty interesting to see, and feel everyone who was in Darwin would have definitely felt it, the house shaking to bits and everything. So yeah, we shot out and had a bit of a explore from Leaders, and yeah, it was chocolate milk in the blue water, 50 meters of water. It was just dirty and yeah, nothing bit. So it was a pretty rough day, but we managed to come into Leaders and at least get a fish and yeah, have a bit of fun flicking around and exploring some new ground. But yeah, sounded up a heap of fish, but they were just shut down. So bit of a tip, don't go fishing after an earthquake. But yeah, it was interesting, and we also seen a bit of a ripple effect on the water when we were out near the Vernons. It was pretty flat and then just turned into massive swell and waves. So cool to see. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to roll some clips and hope you enjoy the episode. Feel confident there's a barra coming.
One somewhere in there.
The casting deserves a barra. Surely there's something sitting on that snake cone. There's fish here. You have a net, boy. Fuck it, hit hard. Hit hard, whatever it is. It's coming up. Oh.
Boat, man.
Didn't like the sound of the motor. Barra.
Get out of here.
Oh. Come on, you dog.
Green, isn't
Oh. Ready? Straight in. Yes! Yeah, Bazza! He's a good size, dude. That's a good bass. Finally. Oh man, just got a troll. Quick troll. Mouth here for this turn of the low. Cody, show us the good.
Place finally gave up a bass.
man, it's been a big day, but we're going to get him on the new red light lie detector and get another lure in. What a way to christen the new brag mat. Nice bazzer, red life. What's he going? 60, 68. Bang. I can do it. Alright, another shot of him. We're pretty happy to see this fish on board today. It's been a rough day, but we're going to get some lures back in. We might be onto a hot bite here. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Nice cracking barra, 68. Let's get it. Just giving it the best eating quality here. Brained it, and we've cut the gills. Bit gory, but bleeding them out. We're going to take this one for a feed. Haven't had a feed of fresh fish in a while.
Give him a little pump, get as much blood out as you can.
Yeah, nice. Pro tips. Perfect eating size too. Time for a can and more fish. That barra too, on the old Bob Marley's Strata. Once again doing the damage. Another quality fish on this lure. I find I'll probably catch more fish on this lure because I'm always trolling it, but it's always proven results when times are tough. So definitely get yourself a couple of these and add them to the tackle box. Bob Marley or the salty bomber colours are, I reckon, my favourites, so get them. Tackle World Coolalinga. Boat Luxury, some Northerns, and the Pie Warmer with some KFC. Bang.
Have a good day.
That's it for today. One barra. Got dinner at least, so yeah, that's alright. No more fish, had a few little touches and got some liveys, but yeah, no more action. It's pretty slow in these creeks. Nothing really going on. Plenty of caddies, standard. So yeah, gonna burn it back to the ramp. So thanks. So I've just marinated some fish pieces and some wings here in some garlic butter, salt, pepper. Pretty standard combo. So got the barbie on. Let's chuck this. Chuck, I reckon, the wings on the grill. That's nice. That's nice hot plate ready for fish pieces. Alright, gonna give them probably a few minutes each side, nice and hot, sizzle them up, sit back and enjoy some fresh barra. Just finished up that barra cooking. It's pretty tasty, the old garlic butter recipe. Can't go wrong, and always good when it's fresh. But yeah, hoping 2023 is going to be a bit of a bigger year, hopefully, for the channel. I'm almost at 900 subscribers, so it'd be pretty cool to crack that 1,000. I haven't been making too many videos lately with the family life and work and everything going on, but I'm hoping this year will sort of be a bit of bigger and better episodes, and just getting used to all the editing and everything like that, creating videos. A lot of my stuff's just more the raw footage of filming and how it is, and yeah, not too much edited out content. So that's just how it is. That's how I like to make my videos, and I hope you enjoy those videos. But yeah, if you haven't already subscribed, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, bottom right hand corner of the video or at the end. It's a little subscribe button there, and yeah, likes, shares, comments, all that helps the channel grow. So yeah, it's a bit of a milestone and a goal for me to hit that 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, we'll roll from there. So we'll catch you in the next episode, and thanks for tuning in.